Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto to another wallet from Kraken. Transferring crypto from Kraken to another wallet means sending your digital assets outside the exchange, for example, to another platform like Binance or personal wallet. And this process is called a withdrawal, and it's one of the most important actions to understand because crypto transactions are permanent and irreversible. And Kraken makes this process secure. First, open to your Kraken app on a device. Over here you need to go to this Explorer on the bottom, and under the Explorer we can find there's an option for the transfer in the bottom left. Tap on the transfer, and this is where you send your crypto out. Over here you can select for your withdraw, crash, receive crypto, or the send crypto as well. As I'm going to tap on the send crypto here, and this is where you send your crypto. You can choose your cryptocurrency in the icon, example USDT, BTC, ETH as well, and add a wallet. Paste the recipient wallet address, choose the correct network, very important, and confirm via email or the security verification. Enter the transfer amount and check your fees and final amount and confirm the transfer, and wait for the confirmation, and the transaction will be proceed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.